1 hour to see what SAU is likely to do on 1 hour based on yesterday close of market price action. And while we're looking at it, we'll find out we have an ascending trend line here. So let us see what we make out of the ascending trend line and see 1 hour ascending trend line. Consider 1 hour ascending trend line, the way it has kept price. You can see it is a 1 hour ascending trend line. So the next thing we look at is other possible market reactions, areas that price has played a vital role. And we are hoping that gold should drop from a very structural perspective level. We're hoping we're on retest, and we believe that liquidity is needed to upside. So this is the structure we have, and when price return into this structure, it's um, it's a buy. When we look down on 3 hours, we'll find an ascending trend line which cut across from this rejection level, and price has shown a significant push to the upside. Another thing worthy of note is to see how price cut across and how we had a breakout structure from this level. And I want to bring it to proper attention. How we have here resistance structure, that couple resistance structure, and we have another resistance structure here, and we have a breakout of the resistance structure. Price came back on retest, switching from supply to demand. So we like to also identify it as a supply roof, two supply roof, break of two supply roof becomes a demand floor for optic. And price didn't disappoint in April and February, October. Price made an upswing. We maintained this trend line and its angle. And when price returned, he did the same thing. What did he return to? Return to a demand floor. Demand floor is what? Optic, buy. Price are bought to a new all-time high. And when price returned, price broke the the floor. What floor was broken? A demand floor to put market in a supply phase. So technically, expect a sell from here. It is based on market structure. Okay, based on market structure, expect a sell. I already posted 3 hours ago on a sell structure on 37 level, and it is based on structure, and the evidence are also there. And when we look up to the upside, we'll have a partly horizontal structure. That horizontal structure, I will explain the price action. We have here resistance, which is a supply roof. We have here resistance, which is also in the supply roof. The break of resistance structure, price retested and boomed, came down, retest again, making here psychological horizontal structure. Psychological horizontal structure. It played a previous supply roof, now a demand floor. And when price came, price used as a foundation for uptick and pushed price to the current all-time high. So when price came back, because it tapped liquidity from a long-term breakout, we had these two are breakouts. They are breakout from an ascending trend line. A previous demand floor that was broken came down, and on breakout becomes a supply roof. So these are all retest candles from that previous price action. On 4 hours, you will see it. I call them RT. So we single this out for clarity. We would have gone back, but I don't want to do that. So check other videos on YouTube and on TradingView, where I already posted my perspective on that, and it cleared out very well. 400 pip drop from that idea. So now market is forming an expanding triangle where we have leverage on the floor, which is a demand floor, and price giving us the possibility to return to the supply roof. There is also a probability that price could tap into the supply roof. If price can break the supply, dependent supply roof, make it a demand floor, then we are sure for uptick. So at the moment, we will continue to look at, we have looked at the retracement using Fibonacci retracement, and price retains at zero point 0.2 level, showing that the uptick is still very much strong and intact. So at this level, let's see if a 1 hour candle can invalidate 2737.37 resistance structure serving as a supply roof. A break of this structure will make it a demand floor, opening room for uptick. But at the moment, I think we're on the impulse leg because price returned here. You see here resistance structure. We have here break of a resistance structure, price broke out, came on retest, and the last day is the third retest. Price came here and boom, have left. So we're on impulse leg. This impulse leg could possibly come here to conclusion. That is in the zone of 2770. So this is a little bit, we need a lot of volatility to push price to this level. And if that happens, then you expect a push for price to create a new all-time high, pushing price from previously what we had as an all-time high to a new one. This is very much possible. So you can have price in the zone of 2770 as a new demand floor. So, so that's a new demand roof. These are new demand roof. So it's a demand roof. I mean supply roof. Sorry, this is a supply roof. So if price gets here, on supply might drop. If price gets here, on supply might drop. And also it's a retest candle again. So I call it RT. This is RT roof. Remember, in our previous chart, we had a breakout from an ascending trend line. That trend line was acting as a support floor. A breakout from that structure automatically sends price from support floor to from support from, from support floor to supply roof. So now price is on the roof. We've tested the roof once, tested the roof twice, and we are coming at it again the third time. So this is what we see on 1 hour, and we do hope that we are respected at this level. Very strong price action at this level. Very, very strong. You can see it. You can see it. Resistance structure, supply roof, break of a supply roof, retest, retest. Price came again, retest. How many retests? One, two, three, three retests. So it makes a psychological ascending trend line in 1 hour. And when we came down, you see we retested it again before breaking the structure, and we are back. So I expected that we are respected. I expect that. I expect that we should be respected at this level. You see, when candle return here, you also show here again as a demand floor. And when price return on 1 hour, you push price. There was a push in price from 2731 into 2736 before the bearish candle got rejected by this structure. What structure was that? A broken demand structure becomes what? A supply roof. And that continued the sell. The sell continued from here. And you see, price is attempting this same level again. So the price action we have here is still applicable here. So we have three price action we are holding responsible for sell. So if we are respected here, you can see the way we are respected there, then we are respected here, we are respected here, and we are respected here. We also have a rejection here after price breaking the support, the demand floor. They tried to go back again. They rejected it what as a supply roof. So our supply roof started from here. But however, we must understand that we have touched an impulse leg. We must understand we have touched an impulse leg. It is also very important to understand. So this impulse leg coincides with an ascending trend line, making it a double confluence. So this can be an upswing. So if there's any small fundamental in favor of USD, I mean yellow metal could see an upswing, can see an upswing to break and come into 2770 into 2772. So we don't know if we're going to get here, but this is just what we see at the moment, and we'll try to explain it in a way everybody can understand. So we do hope that this plays out. But if this fails to hold, that means price will come here to form a fresh high. Yeah, the fresh high will be in the zone of 2770 into 72, 74 thereabout. So guide your stop loss very well at this level. If you are here on a sell, guide yourself very well. Guide yourself very, very well here at this level. If you have a breakout here, don't think of getting back. What you do is allow price to return on retest, there you go long. So if we break this structure, 77, 77, 2737 level, then allow price to return. On return, you go long. You go long, yes. So that will be a decent buy position. So if you have missed this position, the next position to wait for is to allow price to come here. If price breaks here, then automatically switches the supply roof to demand floor. So if we return here, then we'll have here as a demand floor for uptick. So what we'll be aiming at? We're aiming at a new all-time high. So but if that doesn't happen, then there's also a probability that price could break the ascending trend line that held price yesterday, then on retest it, smash price below 2700 level. I anticipated this and I posted it on all platforms on our trading view. Check us on trading view. We are doing well in trading view. We post trade analysis ahead of time and give possible buy sell zones and also teach our strategy on trading view. So this is all we have for SAU USD 1 hour. And I do hope that you like it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Encourage us to continue to do things like this, and we're going to get better with time and we move.